If you got these scripts, the n8n automation, this is how it works. So this is a LinkedIn content generators and auto poster, and this is AI powered. So this is for you to increase the growth of your LinkedIn account. And this is how this workflow works. First thing it does is to is run every 6 hours, to check for an RSS feed from this website called the Coin Telegraph, because we are running a LinkedIn for a cryptocurrency, or let me say crypto content for that LinkedIn account. Now it's going to fetch the content. After it fetch the content, it's going to go here to filter and make sure that that content is of today. And after it's confirmed that the content is of today, it's going to store it into an Excel file. So this is how we created this Excel file. This is how we created the Excel file. We have the this is the sheet. Okay, this is the sheet, and we have the daily post right here. As you can see, we value it by the daily post. If you go to the daily post, this is going to be the raw post. As you can see, this is on 22. That will be yesterday. Okay, and after that has been done, it's going to store into the sheet. Okay, we have the sheet which is called the auto tweet, and we have the row, or can we call the sheet the post, the done post, daily done post, and also refined tweet. You can change it to whatever you like. So after you are done with that one, we set up um AI agents to write based on each of these contents. So it's going to rewrite this content, store it in memory, and make sure it's not written the same thing all over again. And it's going to store it into this sheet, which we call the daily post done. But we have this issue, which it normally store these in a markdown format, and we want to format this to a markup, or what we can use on LinkedIn. We don't want to go out there and be posting something like this on social media. As you can see, it feels so weird. So we create a script, a code, which we can now convert it to normal text. After this thing has been converted to normal text, we have another sheet right now to store it. As you can see, I call it the refined tweet. As you can see, it changes everything, and this is the hashtag that we add to it. Okay, and as you can see, it changes everything instead of posting something like this on our media, which will look like AI written. So we design this thing to make it a commentary, okay? To make it a commentary NFA if you YOLO at. So as you can see, you can check it out, okay? Now, when you come to posting, we don't want to bombard posts because I've tested it already. Imagine having a 10 posts or 20 posts and to post it at a times on your social media. Um, these these guys are going to notice that the bot is working and they are going to block your account. That is why we create what is called the loop, which is going to post one post at a time and on our LinkedIn. And after that has been done, it's going to remove the post and wait for 5 or 3 minutes of this post and go back to post another content. Okay, it's going to post it again, all over again, all over again, all over again, till it's done. And after all those content are done, it's going to wait again for this. So all you just need right now is the prompt. Okay, the prompt is already there. Okay, you can edit it to your likings. Okay, but make sure you keep this and you keep this. And we have another system prompt right now, which you can also use it. The reason why I'm using AI agent because it's easy. You can use DeepSeek for this. You can use the router, the open router, or any AI that you fit. Just make sure it is on this workflow. So that is how I set up this LinkedIn automation workflow for us. So the link is inside the description if you haven't get the script. Okay. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.